If you got a Christmas party to go to this year, so you better watch this tutorial. The last thing you want in person that you went to a Christmas party and your makeup is looking bad. This look is honestly very pretty and it is also very easy to recreate. I will give you a step-by-step tutorial and I will also give you an option of nude lips because I know that everyone is not a very big fan of red lips. If you want a gorgeous look that's gonna last you for all day and all night for all your holiday events this year, then please do keep on watching. Before I start the tutorial, I wish all of you to please subscribe to my channel as this will motivate me to create more such videos. When I create a holiday look, I want my skin to look not very heavy and not cakey. So I want to use the foundation which will give me that effect. And for me, it is NARS Radiant Glow Foundation. This foundation is loved by all and my shade in this is Barcelona. This foundation sets on the skin so beautifully. It blends into the skin very easily. It does not give any dry patches. You can build this up according to your need. What I love about this foundation is it gives me flawless finish but still keeping my skin looking like my skin, and cherry on the top is that it lasts all day long. By the way, today I have prepped my skin with this Charlotte Tilbury facial oil and I have used this Smashbox illuminating primer. Now we need to add little more dimension back to our face. For Christmas look, I don't want to look very bronzy and too sun-kissed, but at the same time, I don't want to look too grey or dead looking. So I got the perfect product. This is Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in Mocha. This performs really well, blends into the skin. As you can see, the color is really nice. The color is not too cool, not too dark, just perfect for my skin tone. Cream bronzer gives a more natural effect and you can always build it up if you want more pigment. The area where I am applying this product is hollow of my cheekbones, forehead, jawline and my nose. So this has definitely added some definition. My face is looking little bit slimmer and now it's time to add some blush as we are going to add little bit of more color. If you are looking for a perfect Christmas blush, then I think I have found it. This is Etude Dear Darling Water Tint. This is a very beautiful red blush and hang on, I know that red blushes are little scary, but trust me, you will see how beautifully this blush will go with this look. The key of applying red blush is not to apply too much. So I'm going to take this on back of my hand and with the blush brush, I am slowly tapping this into my skin. I want this look really natural. With this, I will get a pinch cheek effect, very subtle flush of colors, but it does look like that it is coming from within. You will see later how this blush will go so well with the rest of the makeup. If you are hesitant to try red blush, then I will recommend you to try this during this Christmas season. I'm going to link this same blush in the description box and of course I'm going to link all the products today I'm using for this look so you can go and check it out. Now I'm going to add little bit of concealer and I'm going with my favorite concealer. This is NARS Radiant Glow Concealer in the shade Medium to Ginger. I will not go too heavy with the concealer. I am just focusing this under my eyes and on the center of my face and to some blemishes on my face if I feel to have some coverage. Again, I am using very tiny amount of concealer as I want this look to be very natural, very radiant. And in person, this looks so good. So this concealer is very good as it is very lightweight and it gives skin-like finish and it lasts for really long time without creasing. So I'm not going with a powder, but I want this makeup really to last for a very long time. So I'm going to show you my long wear makeup hack. First, I'm going to set my makeup with Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Finish Flawless Setting Spray. I will use this in even layer on my skin. This will melt my makeup together and also it will make it long lasting. And now to lock my makeup, I will again go with a setting spray. This time I will use Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is more heavy duty setting spray. It is mattifying and waterproof. So when this is mixed with the Charlotte Tilbury's one, I promise you that your makeup will last throughout the day and night without any problem. We should leave our face to marinate for some time, and now let's quickly move towards our eyes. So first I'm going to quickly fill my eyebrows. To fill my eyebrows, I'm using MAC eyebrow pencil. I'm going to just fill my spar areas. For this look, I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Pretty Grunge palette. I will use this shade. It is Cool Tone Brown shade. This will be a very pretty transition shade. I will apply this on my crease. I will build this shade till I'm happy with the pigmentation. And then I'm taking the same brush and same shadow and running on my lower lash line. Now I want to add little more structure with this medium brown. I'm going to define my outer V. Now it's time to add little bit of sparkle, and I think that gold is very good shade for this Christmas. This shade and will apply on the center. Wow. I don't know whether my camera is doing justice with this look, but in person it is looking so perfect. Wow, it is just looking so expensive. Beautifully it is reflecting on my eyes and it is looking so classy. I want to add little bit more dimension, so I'm going to go with this shimmer shade. Just I will tap on inner corner of my eyes. That little detail makes the eye look very holiday. A kind of it gives a twinkling snow effect. Now let's quickly finish my lower lash line same way as I did on my top. In the center I will apply gold and in the inner corner I will apply silver. I'm keeping this very subtle, and now it's time for the fun part, wing eyeliner. I know many people struggle to draw a wing liner, so I'm going to teach you a very easy and simple way. I am taking this Makeup Revolution eyeliner pencil and will draw a line very close to my lash line. Don't make it too thick. And then I will take an angular brush and smudge this and will drag this to create a small wing. Now we are going to set this with a black eyeshadow. This will also give a very rich, intense black color. Wing liner is completed. Now I will tightline my waterline and lash line to complete the eye look. Now one more detailing that I feel it cannot be skipped. It makes your eyes more open and awake. I am talking about this nude kajal pencil from Makeup Revolution, and I will apply this on my waterline. This makes my eye look bigger. I am going to wear falsie with this look, which is absolutely optional, but before that I am going to apply a coat of mascara. I am using Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. I am applying very thin even coat on my top and bottom lashes. This will help my natural lashes to blend it with the falsie. For lashes, I am using Nykaa Lash Tack eyelashes, the OG. I have applied packed glue to the lashes and will now apply to corner of my eyes to the center, and with the help of spoolie I will pin to my lashes to bring them together. Yeah, now my eye makeup is completely done and it's looking super stunning. Now I want to add little bit more blush. So for that I will use this Too Faced blurring blush in the shade Tequila Sunset and lightly dust on top of the liquid blush. This shade is actually quite a good match with the liquid blush one. Now to look my face flawless, I'm going to go with this Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Finish Powder. Before that, I will take a small fluffy brush and will just run under my eyes to just avoid any crease line. And then I will take the powder and set my under eye. I am also going to set around my smile lines and just a touch on my forehead. Now we are going to move towards lips. I know for Christmas people really love red lips, but I will show you this look with red lip. But before, let me do this look with a nude lips. Because I know not everyone is comfortable with red lips. So for lip liner, I am using Renee lip liner. I will follow my natural lip line. I will go with a brownie nude shade, so I will apply Daisy from Parul Garg liquid matte lipstick. And of course, I need to apply a gloss, so I am using Too Faced lip injection. Now this is the look with a nude lipstick and I think it is looking very pretty. If you're not comfortable with red, you can always go with the nude lips, as with sparkly eyes, nude lips look very classy. And I feel this is the very perfect holiday party look. But I want to show you this look with a red lip as well. So the nude lipstick is removed and now I will switch it to the red lips. I'm using Color Bar Starry Flip Lip Color in the shade Hot as Hell. This lipstick lasts so long and it feels weightless on my lips, and it has some glitter chunks, so it gives that glittery shine as well. I want a glossy red lip, so again I will go with a lip gloss. I think I'm missing something. Yeah, I will complete this look with a touch of highlighter. I'm going to use the Dior Backstage Glow Face palette in the shade Universal. This white shade is so pretty. It gives a very wintry, Christmassy holiday vibes. Oof, this looks so beautiful. Oh my god. And with that, we have completed this beautiful, gorgeous look. I just wanted to know that which look do you prefer, with nude or red lips? Please comment and let me know. I personally will go with the nude lips, but I'm liking this red lips also. There is something about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, so please do give it a thumbs up and please share this video to your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel if you like such tutorials by hitting the bell icon. Your help and support means a lot for me. Wishing all of you a very happy holiday party season. Thank you for watching. I will see you all in my next. Till then, live happily and stay beautiful.